Hi guys, Gerald here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can promote Clickbank products on Facebook. No adverts, no Facebook adverts, and no website, just free traffic method with your regular Facebook account, guys. So on this account now, one thing I've done is that I've created two other Clickbank accounts. I'm trying to decentralize my operation so that when I'm trying things, I try them on different accounts for the same products, so that when I get results, I know where the results are, so I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing and the results I'm getting, so that you can actually replicate the same thing and get the same result over and over and over again. Now, one thing that I'm working on, probably by next week, I want to have a course that will show you everything that I have done using free traffic method to show you guys exactly how you can actually implement those things. It's going to be step by step from how to open a Clickbank account, both in banned countries and everything, to all the methods that I have actually used to promote the free methods that I've used to promote Clickbank and the results that I've gotten. As you guys can see in this account, 2020 paycheck just this year alone, they have Clickbank has actually paid me 6,404. That's $500 basically, right? And you can see the breakdown. They've sent three checks, which I showed you guys. These are three checks on these dates, right? So they paid $5,000 here, and they just sent another 4,955. That was about yesterday or day before yesterday. No, yesterday, guys. So yeah, so Clickbank is the bomb, guy. Clickbank is the bomb. So what you need to do is to come to Marketplace. Go to your Clickbank account and go to Marketplace, right? So you go to Marketplace and find the product that you actually want to promote. So okay, I need to log back in. Okay, so I need to log back in. Okay, so this is the Clickbank Marketplace. So to find the best product for you to promote, what you are going to do is to just come here, leaving this place blank. You just hit this search button. Now, once you click on the search button, it's going to arrange the product, in terms of the best performing, right? But this method I'm showing you, you can actually choose the niche that you want to promote. Now, let's say right now you want to promote research, for instance, or leptitox, or this, or fat flusher diet. So the interesting thing is to find the niche. The first thing, rather, is find the niche where these products actually fall under. Now, if this is the product that you are promoting, this, for instance, research, that's what you want to promote. All you need to do is you just come here and hit promote. So it's going to bring you right here for you to generate a hop link. So you're going to you're just going to click on generate hop links right here and copy this link. Copy this link and then go to bit.ly, bit.ly, bit.ly. I'm going to leave all this link in the description of this video below. So about the course I talked about, if you are actually interested in that course, if it's something that you would want me to do, let me know in the comment section, so that let me know the number of persons that are actually interested in this, know if it's worthwhile for me to actually do it for you. If a lot of you are interested in it, then definitely that's something I must work on, right? Probably this weekend, I'll work on it this weekend. I have it ready for you guys by next week. But if there's not a lot of persons that respond, then I know that maybe it's not something I should do, so I should just leave it and just focus on doing YouTube videos where you have a lot of videos. But I can actually do a course and put all the methods inside one course, both creating Clickbank accounts and every other thing that you need to know in terms of promotion using free traffic method. That way, you can actually get this, right? So just let me know in the comment section if that's something that you're interested in. So I come to bit.ly, I come to create, I paste the hop link right here and hit create right here. It shortens the link for me. Then I just name it research hop link, research Facebook. So it's easy for me to track. And I'm just going to rename this research dash office research Facebook. Okay, I'm just going to save this now and copy this and come and drop it right here. Just drop it here. Just drop it here. This is our link. So I'm just going to go to facebook.com, enter. So I'm just going to wait for Facebook to load up. This is beautiful. So this is facebook.com, guys. This is Facebook. So what I'm going to do is to come right here and search for weight loss groups, and find the very big ones. So weight loss, then I'm looking for groups, right? So I find weight loss groups, then I find the groups that are very, very, very active. This one has 1,300 posts today. This is very active, right? So I'm just going to join it with my account. This one has 460 a day. This is good. The ones that actually have a lot of traction, those are the ones that you want to join, and you can join as much as possible, as much as you want. I agree to abide by terms and conditions, submit. So it's better for you to read the terms and conditions. These ones that have 30 posts a day, I'm not interested in those ones. I want the big ones. What is your weight? You can actually take time and answer all these. This one has 8,000 members. So these are the kind of groups that you're actually looking to join. Your request has been approved. Okay, someone has approved me. Okay, so you can join as much as you want. 1,000 posts a day. I like this one. 780 posts a day. I like this. 750 a day. Okay, you have to fill out this form. Exit. I don't want to go through all that right now. This. Okay, so yes. Do you interest to read and share information about health? Not now, just read. I can just do this. That one has 36,000 members. This one 490 join. Let's see Gerald for the man. Let's see this one. I agree to abide the terms and conditions. No link sent. Okay. So some of these groups, most of them do not allow you to send links. But we are going to be doing something very interesting. I'm going to show you guys what exactly I do when I'm promoting with Facebook groups rather. So okay, I think we've joined quite a few, and a few of them have actually approved me. So I'm just going to look for those ones that has approved me. Your request to join has been approved. Okay, so we're just going to come into this one right here, and now, if you make a post right here, what's going to happen is that the admin is going to take a look at it and either approve or reject your post from flying. So we need to be smart about how we make this post, right? So what do we do? Beautiful. So I'm just going to come right here and write, hello guys. Hello guys. I just found the best weight loss program and literally took my mom from 120 lbs pounds to 80 lbs in 1 month. In just 1 month. In just 1 month. If you are interested, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. Kindly leave a comment in the comment section and I will get back to you. So that's all you need to write, and you just hit post. Just post this. You can just copy this template. Just copy it, copy the template and put it in the all these posts, all these groups that you've joined. You put the same thing there over and over and over again. Now the thing is that I would advise you to do like 2 or 3 every hour or every 2 hours, right? because if you post it, on every group, maybe 100 groups in a day, Facebook will just ban you and accuse you of spamming groups and all. So I'm just gonna do the same thing right here. Weight loss public group, and okay, this one has been submitted, is pending approval. So the admin has to approve this. Admin or moderator has to approve this. So I don't see why they won't approve it. So I don't see why they won't approve it. So we're just going to wait for them to approve it. Then notification will start coming. Now, what you're going to do, this is the interesting part. What you're going to do is this: once people start responding, do not respond to them via email. So do not respond to them on the comment section. What you're going to do is to copy your hop link, this link that we put here, right? Copy it and send it to them. Respond to them via on their inbox. Just like for instance, let me show you guys, just in case you don't know, but I assume you guys know. So you have 20 comments right here. Okay, this guy said, guys, I need to lose weight fast. What can I do? People are giving options and everything. Okay, so this is a candidate that you can actually inbox this person. This is a candidate that you can actually inbox and contact and talk to him. Like just right click and no, not right click. You can actually go to their profile. Yeah, right click, open a new tab, go to their profile and send them a DM. If their Facebook Messenger is actually open, you can send them a DM. So these are all potential clients. Everybody in this group, most of them are looking to lose weight. And what's the number of persons in this group? Where do you find that? I'm not sure. Okay, if you can find it, let us know in the comment section if you can find it. I'm not sure where to find it right now, or is it that it's hidden? Okay, I don't know. About, maybe it's here. About. So okay, 39,000 members. There are 39,000 members in this group, right? So if what we posted now just gets approved, there's a potential of 39,000 members. Now think of the number of persons that are actually looking to lose weight. Please, I want to lose weight, so someone should suggest anything that can happen. My stomach is so fat. Yeah, so everybody right here is potentially trying to lose weight, and they are potentially your customers, right? Potentially your customers. So what you need to do is to just send this link to them, and if you want to actually go the extra mile, your comments right here are the posts that we did, right? This is another strategy. The post that we did, you can say drop your email in the comment section. Now what's going to happen is that you're going to harvest their email and follow up on them with email, sending them things about research and all that. Now the interesting thing is that some of these products, let's go back to the marketplace. Of these products, when you come here, you go to their affiliate page right here. When you go to the affiliate page, you see series of email samples that you can actually send to them. So this product actually have those email samples. This one says if you have any questions. Okay, no, this one doesn't have. Okay, to receive latest my ID tracking VSL. Okay, so no, this one doesn't have what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a product that has email swipes. That's what it's called. So you can actually get their emails from there and follow them up by email. This one doesn't have it either. There are some Clickbank product that has. I know Cinderella Solution has email swipes, because that was what I used to make my first money on Clickbank. That product, and it was very hot. That was sometime last year. Cinderella Solution. Let's find it. This is it right here. Go to the affiliates page. Then you can get them to drop their emails in the comment section. Then you start sending email swipes to them, periodically, telling them, these are the email swipes, right? So 22 LBA is gone. Adam's tier, these are emails that you can actually send to email number 1, email number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, coming soon. So this is something that you can actually do if you actually want to go the professional route. Emails is the best thing that you can actually use. But basically, you can actually copy this email, edit it, and send it to them through the inbox with your link, of course, with this link right here. So this is something that you can start doing right now. I believe 99% of us all have Facebook, and you don't made money with your Facebook account before, and this is an opportunity for you to actually start making money with that Facebook account right now, guys. Start making money with that right now. So all you need to do is to set up a Clickbank account if you've not done that already. I'm going to leave the link on how to set up a Clickbank account in the description of this video below. Right, there's a video I did on that. I'm going to leave it right there. So guys, this is how you can promote Clickbank product using Facebook free traffic. No ads, no ads, no website, just free Facebook traffic. And guys, trust me, it converts like crazy. Until I see you in my next video, keep winning. But guys, don't forget to let me know if you're interested in a Clickbank course that I'm trying to do for you guys. If you're interested in it, just let me know in the comment section that you are interested. If you are not, also let me know. I want to know the number of persons that are interested in the course, so I will know if I'm wasting my time during that course or if I should actually go ahead and do it. So let's let me know in the comment section, guys. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I want to invite you to do that right now, because what I do on this channel is basically help you make money online. So I take you by the hand literally and show you exactly what I do, right? So that you can do the same thing and produce the exact same result, guys. Until I see you in my next video, guys, keep winning, stay safe, and don't forget, Gerald loves you guys. Bye bye.